Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make my goat meat fried rice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to boil my goat meat. I'm gonna add some onions and then I'm gonna add some seasoning cubes. I'm adding like about three seasoning cubes. After adding my seasoning cubes, I'm gonna add my salt. So after I'm done adding my salt, I'm gonna be adding my garlic powder and I'm also gonna add my ginger powder. Yeah, my ginger powder goes in, and then I'm gonna add my oregano, and then after my oregano, I'm gonna add my thyme, and then afterwards, I'm gonna add my rosemary, and then after my rosemary, I'm gonna add my parsley. And then I'm also gonna go in with my curry powder. My curry powder goes in, and then I'm gonna cover this up and allow it to cook. I'm going to use my chopper to chop my red bell pepper and my green bell pepper. So I'm gonna check on my goat meat, and then as you can see now, it has already released all its juices. I'm just gonna stir this up. So the next thing I'm gonna add right now is my water. I'm gonna add enough water to the goat meat just so that it can cook properly. So now my goatmeat now is ready. So I'm just gonna take this out and then I'm gonna cut this up into small bite sizes and I'm going to put them in the oven to roast. So in a pan, I kept some vegetable oil, bell pepper, onions, and garlic. So right now I'm frying it, and then I just added my Scotch bonnet pepper for some heat. I'm gonna sear this up all together. Next, I'm gonna add is my seasoning cubes. Next, we're gonna add our salt. So in the same pot, I'm gonna add some butter, and then I'm gonna add my washed basmati rice. I'm gonna fry this rice for like a couple of, just few seconds of like a minute or two, and then I'm gonna be adding my goat meat stock. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some water to cook the rice. So next I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some salt and then stir this up and cover this to cook. So now my peppers are already fried. So I'm just gonna add the chopped bell peppers and I'm gonna give this a stir. Now my goat meat is ready, all chopped up and roasted. So now it's time for me to put it in the sauce. incorporate the goat meat with the sauce together. And when I'm done incorporating the goat meat and the sauce, I'm gonna introduce the rice. And mind you, I still have the gas on, so because this rice needs to be stir fried properly to be able to get that flavor that we're aiming for. So next I'm gonna add in my spring onions, and then I'm going to give this a stir for the last time. So if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribe. Most importantly, please, I would appreciate it if you subscribe, and also share my videos with your loved ones, your family, your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.